Alright guys, I'm doing this upper deck challenge. Basically, I'm gonna open this package of cards and I'm going to try to draw one of the pictures or all the pictures or mix them together. I'm not too sure. So let's get started. Alright, let's open this up. I bought this package from Dollar Tree. It was $1.25 here in Canada. And it's basically upper deck cards, which is kind of cool. You know, like baseball cards, but like a girly version. I know girls can have baseball cards too, but I thought this was really neat, and the characters are so super cute on here. So I thought I would open it and see what's inside. So inside it says there's 5 cards, and they're all at random. So they're collectors, tradable, all that kind of stuff. My daughter got 4 other packages, but I decided to get my own and see what they're like. Look how cute they are. So a Merida one, which is so cute. And then on the back side it even has like that little holographic, you know, little thingy thing that baseball cards have. So there's this picture on the back side and it has like a brief description of the moment or whatever's happening. So that's super cute. Ooh, I like this one. You guys see that? Belle. I think this might be a contender. Oh, that's beautiful. Imagine doing this one digitally. Ooh, I think that might be my challenge coming up. So I might do that one in another video. Definitely this one digital. So I think this one so far. These are cute. Cinderella and Gus Gus. I love Gus Gus. And then these ones are just like pop-ups. Like, I don't know if you can see it. It's like perforated around here and they can pop right out. Kind of cute. Alright. Jasmine and Raja. That's a cute one. Sorry if I'm off frame. I'm so excited about these. Cute. Oh! Ariel! Ooh, and again the same castle. Strange. I wonder why they have the same castle. But anyways, these cards are so super cute. So if you have a Dollarama in your area, or sorry, a Dollar Tree in your area, check them out. They are so cute, and they basically look like this in the package. I'll see if I can steal my daughter's and show it to you. Alright, so I grabbed her pile without her looking. So here's another one she got. A little close up. These are so cute. Oh, for Mulan. That's a cute one. Snow White, Rapunzel. Very cute. I like the big scenes on the back as well. That's cute. Very nice. They're so bright and vivid. I like the art style on here. So like I said, I'm gonna do the pictures that I got. Ooh, look how pretty that is. That would be a nice digital piece. Sorry if that's really dark, but it is a dark scene. I love this one. And this one's my favorite. Look how cute that is. And I want to do this digitally as well. So you might see those in another, or I might do another upper deck redraw challenge. So let me get mine again. So there's my 5. And I'm leaning towards these 2. And unfortunately, they both have this on the back, so I wasn't able to draw something else with them. But I'm going to do these 2 and do it in my style, so stay tuned.
Hi guys, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in and watching this. I know I did an intro, but I just thought I would just talk and say thank you to everybody that has subscribed to me here on YouTube as well as Instagram. Thank you to all my new followers and my existing followers and sharing your love. I really enjoyed making this piece. It was so super fun. I know I should have did it a little bit. It's almost not my style in terms of the eyes because my eyes are done differently, but I wanted to stay more to the cartoony kind of look that Belle had in this upper deck card. Now, if you haven't seen these before, go and look for them. They are such a great idea. They are collector and trader cards. They do have number sequences on it. It does have the hologram information on it, and it's really cute. Now, stay tuned. This is part 1 because I was planning to do both of them in this one video, but I thought I would split it into 2 videos. So this is part 1 where I'm drawing Belle, and part 2 will be done in the second video. And I'm just doing this in a quick speed paint for you. Originally, I was going to just do it in pencil, and then I was looking at the card and I'm like, oh man, I really want to get the essence of the colors and all that kind of stuff. So again, I decided to use my Desire alcohol markers. If you haven't seen the review for that, please take a look below. I believe that the Desire review was under the Mother's Day one, but I also did it in my last piece where I was comparing Desire markers and Copics and Desire's one actually. So if you want to take a look at them, definitely check them out. Go to the store. They're located in Canada. You can also order them online. So yeah, this is the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe below, hit the notification bell, and follow us here as well as Instagram at KCatsArts. Thank you once again. Just sit back and enjoy the video, and then wait for part 2 later on. Thank you so much. Bye. So here's my finished piece. I think it turned out super cute. Watch for part 2, which is the Ariel one, and thank you for subscribing. Bye guys!